Hi everybody, Whemenoc Alarms here, and today I have another unboxing video to show you. This is not an alarm, and instead, well, you'll find out, won't you? So, let's get to it. Alright. So, here we go. Oh gee. Sorry if my camera's all over the place. I'm only holding it with my legs, you know. This thing is not... Okay. Jeez, that was painful. Okay, so... Here it is. So, that's right, I bought the E50 SSBR back box. So, this, you can obviously guess, it's, you know, it's obvious what this is for. It's for my E50 Tri-Farm CW speaker strobe. So, get this thing out of the package. Now, okay. You know what? Okay. So here's all the screws, different types, and then the back box itself. Check that out. Oh man, I love it. Now it's time for which that's the top and that's the bottom. How does this go in? Do you do it like oh, I think it's the other way. Wow. Look at that. Oh man, I love it. I love it when it's on a back box. It makes it look really nice. I like that a lot. Alright. So, perfect. It is now protected with the back box, and now I can also mount it because, well, I got the back box for it. So I just mounted straight to the back box. Anyways, so yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, rate, and leave comments. And I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you later. Bye.